The best trading strategies in the world are the most simple ones. One of the most simple yet effective strategy is trading flags. Trading a flag is one of the most effective and versatile for many reasons. It works on multiple time frames, it gives you an obvious and clean entry, and it works based on momentum and continuation. So let's get into what makes a flag. There are two things that are essential to a flag: the flagpole and the flag itself. The flagpole represents the momentum in price action. This is essential because it shows the amount of push price is getting. The bigger the flagpole, the greater the potential for that to continue. The flag itself is very important because it needs to hold in a tight manner. If the price action in a flag can't hold, it will not continue for the move that we want. So if both of these criteria are satisfied, then you have yourself a flag. So now let's look at how you can trade them. You want to find a level that multiple candles respect as a breakout level. This shows that once the candle passes through that level, price will fly using momentum. Here's an example of one. As you can see, once the candle passes the level, it shoots up with momentum, causing you to instantly be green on the trade as long as you enter when it breaks the level. And you can be confident to see a continuation in that movement because there's so much momentum backing it up. Now, if you compare other trading strategies like dip buying or supply and demand, you initially have to be read in those because oftentimes you have to buy when others aren't, and you're also often trading against the trend. However, because here you're using momentum and continuation, you're never trading against a trend, and you're always playing with momentum and continuation to get you quick and safe entries. Flags are also very versatile because they work on multiple time frames. They work on every single time frame. The bigger the time frame of the flag, the larger the move. So an example of something that I just traded this week on AMD was a 4-hour setup on AMD, which was a bullish flag setup. And I was able to capitalize on this right at market open. And here's how it went. So you can see that as the market opens, we instantly get that momentum and it breaks through my levels like butter. And I instantly am able to get in at those levels and get a huge push of momentum because it's a 4-hour setup. So this shows the power of flags. All you need to do is look for these flags and never trade anything else because they're so consistent. In the market, you don't want to be a jack of all trades and a master of none. And I'll leave you with this powerful quote by Bruce Lee. I fear not the man who practices 10,000 kicks once, but I fear the man who practices one kick 10,000 times. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll talk to you guys soon. Please subscribe, like for more. Peace.